One of the worst things about Dubai is it's just little tiny, I think they're called not crashes, they're people just bumping into you, causing annoyingly small damage. You hear it a lot. It's the sound of screeching, and then the sound of metal being crushed. It's quite a common noise out in Dubai. All my cars have been hit, and now it's time. The Firebird. Look at that. One of the guys was pulling out, didn't realise how basically how long the front of the Firebird is, and he's cracked it. Security found it for me. It's paper heavy. I've got to get it fixed now, but no big deal. Oops. Yeah, security have just come round. Wanted to know who was hanging around the car. Security are quite good. There's nothing I can do about people's parking, but when it comes to looking after the cars, I'll come and see who's going round. The other thing you can see is my T-tops, which I tried doing myself with that that rubber spray stuff. I just made a hell of a mess. I just need to get it off. Right, let's go and find someone who could do some bodywork. There's plenty of places. I shouldn't be touching my face with my hands. It's Corona time here, as it is everywhere else. It's quite overcast here in Dubai, so I'm just going to have a drive around. Probably see who can do it, fix it, get it done.